The world of computing is constantly evolving, but every once in a while, a product comes along that truly makes an impact and forces the industry to take notice. The M5 MacBook Pro is one such product. Apple has long been known for its innovations in the laptop market, but with the M5 MacBook Pro, the company has truly broken the mold in terms of performance, design, and user experience. In this review, we'll dive into the key features, performance benchmarks, design elements, and everything else you need to know about the M5 MacBook Pro. The M5 chip integrates cutting-edge technology, including 8-core CPU and 16-core neural engine, making it one of the fastest chips Apple has ever produced. This chip is designed not just for basic tasks, but for users who require top-tier performance, such as content creators, professionals in design or video editing, and gamers looking for top-of-the-line processing speeds. One of the biggest improvements with the M5 chip is its energy efficiency. With better thermal management and a smaller manufacturing process, the M5 can deliver performance without draining the battery. Performance, an unbeatable experience. When it comes to laptop performance, the M5 MacBook Pro sets new standards. Whether you're running multiple applications, editing high-resolution video, or designing 3D models, the M5 delivers a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Here's how it stacks up across different use cases. 1. Multitasking like never before. Thanks to the powerful 8-core CPU, the M5 MacBook Pro excels in multitasking. Users can run a dozen apps simultaneously without seeing a dip in performance. This is particularly useful for professionals who are juggling multiple projects, whether it's having a large dataset open in one application while running heavy design tools or compiling code in another. Additionally, the 16-core neural engine takes multitasking to another level by intelligently prioritizing tasks based on a user's habits. This means that applications that need more processing power will get it, while less important tasks won't slow you down. 2. Content creation and video editing. Video editors, graphic designers, and content creators will find the M5 MacBook Pro to be a powerhouse. With improved GPU performance and enhanced graphics capabilities, video rendering times are drastically reduced. Even working with 8K video or complex 3D rendering, the MacBook Pro remains responsive. Whether using Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, the M5 is a dream come true for professionals who rely on their computers for creative output. Design, sleek yet sturdy. The M5 MacBook Pro follows Apple's refined design philosophy, maintaining the slim and sleek profile we've come to expect from the MacBook Pro series. However, there are a few notable changes that make the M5 a standout in terms of aesthetics and functionality. 1. Display a visual delight. Apple has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the M5 MacBook Pro is no exception. The Retina display has received an upgrade with Mini LED technology, providing deeper blacks, higher contrast ratios, and a more vibrant color range. Whether you're working with graphic design, watching movies, or gaming, the visual experience on the M5 is nothing short of stunning. The display is also true tone-enabled, automatically adjusting the screen's color temperature based on your environment. This ensures a natural viewing experience, reducing eye strain during long hours of work. 2. Enhanced build quality. The M5 MacBook Pro's chassis is made from aluminum alloy, giving it a premium, durable feel without being overly heavy. Despite its robust construction, the laptop remains relatively lightweight, making it portable enough for those on the go. This is essential for professionals who need to take their work on the road, whether it's for business trips, client meetings, or a creative collaboration. The improved thermal management system also ensures that the M5 MacBook Pro remains cool even under heavy loads. With advanced cooling mechanisms and optimized airflow, the device avoids throttling, keeping performance consistent throughout extended work sessions. Battery life, long-lasting power. One of the most impressive features of the M5 MacBook Pro is its battery life. With the new M5 chip's energy efficiency, Apple claims that the MacBook Pro can last up to 20 hours of continuous use on a single charge, an exceptional feat in the world of high-performance laptops. Whether you're working on a long project or watching a movie during a flight, the M5 MacBook Pro's battery can comfortably last a full day without needing to be plugged in. This is a game changer for users who are constantly on the move and don't always have access to an outlet. 1. Fast charging. In addition to its long battery life, the M5 MacBook Pro also supports fast charging. A quick charge of just 30 minutes can provide enough juice to last for several hours of use. This feature is especially beneficial for those in a rush or those who may forget to charge their laptop overnight. Portability and connectivity. The M5 MacBook Pro's slim design makes it highly portable, but it doesn't skimp on connectivity. Apple has equipped the MacBook Pro with a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, offering ultra-fast data transfer speeds and the ability to connect to high-performance peripherals, external monitors, and storage devices. HDMI port, for easy connectivity to external displays and TVs, making presentations and work-from-home setups simpler than ever. MagSafe 3, a return to the beloved MagSafe charging connector, ensuring that your laptop won't fall off the desk if the charging cable is accidentally yanked. The M5 MacBook Pro is also equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring blazing fast wireless connectivity for all your online activities, from video conferences to cloud file transfers. The software, macOS at its best. The M5 MacBook Pro runs on the latest version of macOS, optimized for the M5 chip's architecture. macOS provides a smooth and intuitive user interface with excellent integration across the Apple ecosystem. Features like handoff, AirDrop, and universal control make it easy to move between devices seamlessly, whether you're jumping from your iPhone to the MacBook or between your Mac and iPad. 1. Performance-optimized apps. Many third-party apps have already been optimized to take advantage of the M5 chip's architecture, ensuring that you get the best possible performance. Applications like Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, and Logic Pro are fully optimized for the M5, meaning you'll experience faster load times, smoother editing, and enhanced performance. Verdict: should you upgrade to the M5 MacBook Pro? The M5 MacBook Pro is undeniably one of the best laptops on the market today, with exceptional performance, stunning design, and impressive battery life. Whether you're a professional creator, business executive, or someone who simply wants the best performance in a portable package, the M5 MacBook Pro ticks all the boxes. If you're already using a MacBook Pro with an older M-series chip, the M5 offers a significant upgrade in terms of speed, efficiency, and overall user experience. While the price may be on the higher side, the performance and longevity of the M5 make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to power through their daily tasks without compromise.